Hello everybody, and welcome to week 1 of Educational Technology and Teaching. I'm excited to get to work with you, and I would like to make a short video to kind of explain to you what's going to be happening during week 1. So here's our homepage, and I'm going to just point out a couple of things. Again, make sure that you have your notifications turned on so you're getting the announcements. As you can see, there's several announcements right here. Here is the Welcome Technology. You'll get that on Friday. Here's the introductory video. You'll get that on Saturday or Sunday. Here's week 1. You'll get that on Monday. Then the rest of this kind of goes through it. And this video here will be included somewhere in here, probably as part of the Welcome to Week 1. So let's get started. So if you go back to Modules, and you scroll down here to Week 1, Module 1, Chapter 1, the first thing you need to do is you need to click on your Overview. And this will kind of talk to you a little bit about what we're going to discuss in this course, in this chapter, or this module. The next piece that you'll come to will be your to-do list. And this is something you can print off and kind of check off as you go through it. But you'll review the learning outcomes, which are here. You'll read chapter 1 of the textbook. And again, remember, the textbook is in Vital Source. Click on that, and if you click on it, you'll see that it'll show the book. And again, as a reminder, we're using edition 9, which is a red book. That's what this course is built around. Throughout the chapter, as you read it, there'll be videos. Please make sure you watch those videos. There'll be a quiz over the chapter that you can take. You can take as many times as you want. And then you'll have a couple of discussion boards. One says Introduce Yourself, and the other is Conditions of Technology. You'll watch that. Then the last two pieces are an assignment. You'll work a little bit with AI. We'll use AI a lot in this course. And then you'll work on the big picture. So that's your to-do list. Make sure you take a look at that. It kind of gives you what you need to get done. It gives you the points possible, things like that. Let's go next. Here's your quiz. You can take that. And then it kind of gets you into your discussion board. So all the discussion boards are similarly set up. It'll say right here, the initial post is due by Wednesday. So make sure your initial post is due by Wednesday. Your follow-up posts are due on Sunday. So for this one, this is an introduction one. So basically you're talking about yourself and who you are, so your classmates get to know you. So here is some prompts that you can address. Here is kind of what I expect you to do in terms of your writing. You should write 2 or 3 paragraphs, approximately 200 to 300 words. You should summarize your key points, things like that. And then right down here, I expect you to respond to 2 or 3 of your classmates. So read them and respond to 2 or 3 of them, and you'll be in good shape. So that's the first discussion. Every week you'll have about 2 usually, and later in the course you'll only have 1. But if you're the next one, you'll see the setup is very similar. The initial posts are due by Wednesday. And the reason they're due by Wednesday is because discussions in an online course are very important. They're how we interact, they're how we share ideas and share our thoughts. So a lot of the course is built around discussions. So again, the initial post is due by Wednesday, and that's so everybody has their ideas down. And then your follow-up posts are due on Sunday. Again, you'll see your question here, or your idea that you're going to talk about. I expect you to read and respond to 2 or 3 of your classmates, which is just like we just did. The expectations for your posts are very similar, at least 2 or 3 paragraphs, 200 to 300 words, etc. Now, what's a little bit different in these discussions is your follow-ups. So this is what you should be doing in your follow-ups. You should, as you read and respond to your classmates, consider these 3 ideas. Use paraphrasing. Don't just copy and paste things. Just paraphrase thoughts and provide it. So use words like so, as you are, or you're thinking, to rephrase what you read. That'll help the original writer know that you're either understanding or there's misconceptions. You should pose questions. You should ask ideas. You should ask questions. You should ask clarifying questions, things like that, to help keep the discussion going. It's important if you ask a question to your classmate needs to read that question and respond to it. That's how the discussion continues to build. And the last one would be putting ideas on the table. Use stems like, here's one idea, one thought I have, Here's another possible approach. Another consideration might be, these are ways that you put additional ideas out on the table. So that's your discussion boards. Make sure you do those. It's very important. Then you get into your assignment. This is your first assignment using AI. So read through this. I have submission guidelines right here. Kind of tells you what you need to be doing. One thing I do want to point out is, as you're doing things, make sure that you're providing a citation in APA 7. So since you use AI, you need to make sure you cite that you used AI. And here's kind of what you're going to do. Here's your way of citing. If you have trouble with APA 7, do a Google search for Purdue OWL APA online, and it'll actually give you some good resources. That's your first assignment. And notice there's a rubric to go along with it. And your next assignment is a big picture assignment, similar setup, has some tasks. It kind of describes what you need to be doing, and it gives you your submission guidelines, and you have a rubric to go along with that as well. So that's week 1. If you need help or clarification on the assignments or anything, please reach out to me and let me know. Just email me. I'm pretty good about responding to emails. If we need to talk on the phone, we can do that. But I'm excited. Hope you enjoy this course. Good luck. Talk to you later.